Hello, friends. I will tell you about Ford's new model, Ranger T-Rex. In the meantime, friends, don't forget to support us by subscribing to my channel. The Ford Ranger Raptor is the flagship edition of the mid-size pickup and one of the most capable in its segment, but tuners are here to further spice up its looks. The CRX T-Rex by Carlex Design is the latest tuned Raptor, which is focused on exterior and interior modifications instead of mechanical upgrades. The T-Rex version of the Raptor rides on a new set of 5-spoke 18-inch pickup design alloy wheels finished in black, with contrasting orange brake calipers. Finally, the roof-mounted LEDs at the front and at the back can turn night into day in areas without proper illumination, making the truck look like an expedition vehicle. Orange accents are combined with orange decals around the headlights and taillights, orange T-Rex emblems and black graphics on the sides of the white-painted body. Almost the entire interior is covered in orange leather and Alcantara, including the dashboard, steering wheel, door cards, bucket seats, and headliner. Starting with the visuals, the highlight is the Line X finish applied to the bumpers, bonnet, skid plates, front grille, fenders, side steps, mirror caps, and rear bed. If you care about firepower, the Carlex twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 hasn't been touched. The EcoBoost engine is good for up to 405 horsepower in the US and is rated at 392 horsepower in Australia and 284 horsepower in Europe. All of them have the same beauty that turns the model into a real off-roader. If you must know how much the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor CRX T-Rex is, that would still be a bit much for a pickup truck. Carlex Design says they'll sell you one in Europe for €99,900 before tax. This equates to $110,505 at today's exchange rate. For that kind of money, you can get a state-of-the-art 2023 F-150 Raptor R that uses a Shelby GT 500 sourced supercharged V8 rated at 700 horsepower.